Hi everyone. So I hope my voice is clear and everyone can hear me. So before I go to the technical concept of Oracle DB, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankush Chowdi. I am the founder of Learnomate Technologies. I have 10 plus years of experience with the IT industry. I have worked with the companies like Cognizant, Wipro, L&T, Infosys, and there are some of the small based company I already work with. So I got an exposure to work with the multiple technologies like development, administration, big data, Hadoop, cloud, and many other technologies. So I'm here to the knowledge that I have received from these different companies. I'll share with you all, and let's try to understand about the today's topic, and that we called it as a Oracle database administration. So I hope most of the people are already aware about what is Oracle DBA, what we do into the Oracle DBA and all. But let's try to understand from the very basic that what we do as a Oracle DBA. See, before we talk about the Oracle DBA database administration, first of all, we'll try to understand about the databases. Okay. So what is database? Database is all about which is storing your huge amount of data. Now, what type of data, right? Now, let's say there is a user. He is saying that, okay, I want to create a bank account. So what you will do? You'll go to the bank. They will ask you to fill up the one form. You'll fill up all the form over here, and finally you will click on the submit button. As soon as you click on the submit button, all of your details like your first name, last name, gender, city, location, salary, whatever things you have filled it into this form, that details will be stored into a database. Where it will be stored? Into the database. And in that database there will be a tables which will be created, right? Let's say there is a table called account table, and in that account table all the accounts related information will be there. Let's say there is a salary table is there, all the salary, let's say my salary is one rupees, 2 rupees, whatever it is, my salary will be available in the salary account. Let's say there is a personal data, so all my personal data will be available here. Let's say there is one more table called tax related table, all the tax related information will be stored over here. So basically this is a database. In this database we have a tables are there, and in that table my data is stored. In that table my data is stored. Now this database can be from different companies. Like if you are trying to purchase any product, let's say you are thinking that, okay, I want to purchase something. You are purchasing the product from different companies, right? Let's say this database can be given by the Oracle company, so they have Oracle database. There is a MySQL database is there, we have a PostgreSQL is there, we have SQL server is there. There are different company comes together, and they have created their a same database. So all the database, if you ask me, all the RDBMS database are same only. Same way, like, when you are going to the market and you want to purchase a phone, the phone is provided by the multiple companies. We have a OnePlus, Xiaomi is there, then we have iPhone and other companies are there, right? Same way, this database is provided by the multiple companies. Among that, we are talking about the Oracle. We are a big fan of Oracle. So Oracle is someone who is providing you the database. Oracle is a company, and Oracle is a product of the company. It's a software. And in order to administration, if I want to do the administration of this Oracle, the people who are doing the administration of this Oracle database, we called it as a Oracle DBA. Let's say you are working with the MySQL, then you are calling it as a MySQL DBA, PostgreSQL DBA, SQL Server DBA. That is like DBA, database administration. What is this? DBA, that is called database administration. That is called database administration. So that's the DBA, database administration. So if you think that you have one client, okay, you have a client who is using Oracle to store their data For the administration of their database, they need database administrator, and we are becoming Oracle DBA. What we are becoming? We are becoming Oracle DBA. So whatever companies, if you ask me like where I can get the job, all the companies, like I already work the Cognizant, then we have Infosys, Wipro, LTI. Apart from this, whatever all the big companies are there, okay, all the MNCs companies, they are using this Oracle DBA. Their clients are using Oracle DBA. If you ask me the banking, like your Citibank, SBI, HSBC, HDFC, IRCTC, you take any example, even this Zoom application also, all are using Oracle database. Now, if these people are using Oracle database to store their data, they need DBA, right? They need the administrator who will store the data, and we called it as a Oracle database administrator. And that is what we are going to do in our this training. So what's my responsibility as a Oracle DBA? But before that, I want to make sure that everyone is able to understand whatever I have discussed. Are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option? Say yes, no. Till now, whatever we discuss, able to understand? All right. So I can see yes, 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 yes. Okay, great. Everyone is able to understand. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, Hari is saying yes. Ganesh is saying yes. Okay. Durga is saying yes. Karuna is saying yes. Venkat is saying yes. Okay. So everyone is able to understand. So we understand that like what's the importance of Oracle DBA and what we do. Now I'll try to understand that what's my daily responsibility. Because when you go and enter into the office, right? You need to understand that what I will do. How to do that I will take. We have a training for another 2 months, okay? That I will discuss about that. Everything will be practically explained. You will get all the interview questions, answer, how to crack interview, resume preparation, everything will be there. But before that, we need to understand that what I do as a DBA. What I do as a DBA, right? I need to understand that what's my daily responsibility as a DBA. So if you want to become a Oracle DBA, first of all, the Oracle DBA basic architecture will be looks like this. There will be one server. Okay. There will be one server. Now, what is this server? You consider this server as your like operating system, just like we have Windows 10, Windows 11, right? Same way you can have Windows operating system, you can have Linux operating system, you can have Unix operating system. Any one of the operating system the client will use. Mostly it will be Linux. And that's the reason we are taking overall our training on the Linux operating system only. So basically we will have an operating system, and on this operating system we are going to install our Oracle database. What we are installing? Oracle database. So this Oracle is basically a software. It's a software provided by Oracle company. They have written one software in the Java language, and this software we are calling it as a database. What we are calling it as a database. So we will have a server just like operating system. If I want to tell you one very simple example, we have a Windows 11 machine, right? And on this Windows 11 machine, you have Zoom software is there, you have Chrome software is there, we have Firefox software is there, right? We have Microsoft Office is there. Same way on my this operating system, we have a database. What we have? We have a database. On my this operating system, we have a database. And my responsibility as a DBA is to make sure that this database is up and running. What is my responsibility? To make sure that this database is up and running. See, by any chance, if this database software got crashed, you take an example, right? Sometimes let's take an example that my Zoom application got crashed. Do you think that you will be able to hear me? Do you think that you will be able to hear me? Whatever I'm talking, you will not be able to hear that, right? Same way, if this database, if it is not working by any chance, so all the tables which are available under this Oracle database will not be accessible. Now I want to create an account, right? I am going to the bank, I am filling up my details into that form, whatever they have given it to me. If I click on the submit button, that information will go into this table. So this table will be accessible when my database is up and running. The table will be accessible when my database is up and running, otherwise it will not be accessible. So my responsibility to make sure that this database is up and running 24 across 7. 24 across 7 means each and every time. Even in the morning, night, whatever. See, I want to make the payment. I can make the payment in morning time also, evening time also, afternoon also. Anytime I can make the payment. I cannot say that boss, my DBA are not working now, so the payment will not be done, right? The DBA responsibility to make sure that 24 across 7 my database should be up and running. And these databases are connected to some application. Let's take an example like Amazon application or Flipkart, right? If I want to purchase, let's say yesterday I have purchased this Bluetooth headset. I purchased in the night around 1 a.m. So that time, if my transaction is not happening, what will happen? I will not be able to purchase the Bluetooth headphone. It will be a loss to the Amazon company, correct? It will be lost to the Amazon company. It will be lost to the company who are providing that headphone, like a boat or any other company. So your database should be up and running. I mean to say that your database should be up and running 24 across 7. That's my responsibility. And how to make sure that my database is up and running, that I will tell you in the future lecture. In the practical way, we are going to discuss that. So that's the very first responsibility as a DBA, that my database should be up and running. But overall, when you want to, when you want to talk to the Oracle database, okay, when you want to do the administration of your Oracle database, you cannot directly jump to the Oracle DBA. There is a sequence, you need to follow that. And then you can become a Oracle DBA. So if you want to become a Oracle DBA, a good Oracle DBA, okay, the sequence is very simple. The first is you need to understand SQL. Okay. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. What I did, I said that we will have a server. And then we will have a database here. Whenever I draw a round shape, you consider that it is a database. And this is my server. We will have a server. And inside a server, we will have a database. Now, if you want to talk to any database, not only just Oracle, if you want to talk to Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, any other database, you need one language, right? If I want to talk to you, the communication language that I am using right now, that is the English language. So it is a language which is expressing the thoughts process, right? So when you want to talk to the database, you need one language, and that language we called it as SQL. What is that? Structure query language. What is the use of this structure query language? To talk to the Oracle. If I want to start this database, if I want to stop this database, if I want to take the backup of this database, if I want to create any table, insert some data into this table, I need to talk to the Oracle database, right? So when I want to talk to the Oracle database, I will use SQL. That is called structure query language. What we are calling it as structure query language. So that is the reason, if you want to become a Oracle DBA, if you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, the first step is to start with the SQL. Once you are comfortable with the SQL, I'm not saying that you should have very in-depth knowledge, like you are going to write down a big queries and all. No, not like that. But at least you should know what is DML statement, DDL statement, all this basic. If you know, that's more than enough to kickstart your career as a Oracle DBA. So first start with the SQL. That is very important. If you know SQL, then your life will be easy to kickstart your career as a Oracle DBA. Once you are done with the SQL, then the next thing that you need to understand, that is called Linux. What is that? Linux. Once you are comfortable with the SQL, then you need to start with the Linux. Now, why we need Linux? Why we need Linux? See, we have a server, right? I told you, right? This is a server, and on this server we will use our database. Now, first of all, you are going inside the server. What you will do? You will going inside the server, and in order to talk to the server, we are going to use Linux server only. Linux, or let's take Unix server also. Now when you want to create some directories, create some folder, remove some folder, likewise your this Windows operating system, it will not work. It's not like a Windows operating system. It is not like a Windows operating system. You need to create a folder by using command. Like these are the commands you need to use. These are the different commands you need to use. So to make you understand about the Linux operating system, we are going to use this virtual machine. There is a one virtual machine is there, which we are going to use, and this will help you to understand. Let me start this virtual machine. I just started one more machine called 𝐓𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐽𝐻 Oracle, and let me start that. So how to set up this Linux and all? For that we are going to use a software, different softwares on your personal laptop. So all the practice you can do it on your personal laptop only. All the practice you can do it on your personal laptop only. So if you want to know about the Oracle DBA, the first thing is you need to understand Oracle DBA. First thing is you need to understand about SQL. Second thing, you need to understand about the Linux command. Linux command is very important. Once you are good with the SQL Linux command, then you can start your career with the Oracle DBA. And if you want to become expert of Oracle DBA, see, this Oracle DBA is all about the core DBA knowledge. We called it as a core DBA knowledge. And after that, if you want to expert, like let's say you want to show some 10 years of experience, if you are like that, then you need to go with the RAC DBA, RAC. So RAC is the advanced part of your Oracle DBA, but the sequence will be like this. First SQL, Linux, Oracle DBA, RAC DBA, and after that you can also learn about the Golden Gate. All these are the products of Oracle only. RAC DBA, Golden Gate, Oracle, all these are the product of Oracle only. So those people who are having some 20, 30, whatever experience, these people should be expert with all these three technologies. And you can add some more technologies like cloud, you can add. Okay, you can add it, cloud and all. So that's a perfect Oracle DB. So the sequence we are going to start from SQL, Linux, Oracle DB. So those people who have enrolled for the SQL in Linux, they have a separate batches there. Those people who have enrolled for Oracle DB, all are separate batches are there. All are separate. Now this batch we are going to start with the Oracle DBA. So I'm assuming that all the people already have a knowledge about SQL and Linux. And by any chance, if you don't have knowledge about SQL and Linux, then let us know. We will add you to the SQL and Linux batch. For that, whatever doubts, if you have any kind of doubts related to the trainings and all, you can reach out to our counselor number, the 917757062955. He is available in the chat option also. So whatever doubts you have, okay, related to the class, trainings, duration, whatever it is, okay, you can reach out to our counselor. He is available on call as well as on our WhatsApp number also. So you can discuss with him. So till now, whatever we have discussed technically, are you able to understand, guys? Can you please use the chat option? Say yes. Pranay saying yes, Suruji saying yes, Sime saying yes, Adi saying nice. Okay, great. Hari is saying yes, Sankar is saying yes, Pramod, all are saying yes, Ganesh is saying yes, Jasking is saying yes. Okay, nice. So these are the sequence to start your career as a Oracle DBA. Now, how are you going to do a practice and all, right? The practice is very important. So what I will do, I will use this a virtual box. This is called a virtual box machine. And by using this virtual box machine, you can do your practice and all. Okay. So I have installed one machine over here. You can see here that I can log in with the help of Oracle here. And this is my machine where I have installed the Linux operating system. We used Oracle Linux. What is Oracle Linux? How to install it? Everything we are going to discuss slowly in the class. Okay, don't worry about that. So I just thought to give you some heads up today, and that is the reason we have connected. Okay. So this is a Linux machine, guys. This is a GUI based Linux machine. and in real time you will see the screen like this. You will see the screen like this. You will only see the black screen in the Oracle DBA. So basically I have taken the remote of this machine by using this software called 𝐲𝐵. I have taken the remote. What is remote? Means I am accessing this machine from the outside. Okay. How to do that and everything I'll tell you very nicely, slowly. Don't worry about that. Now I'm going to run some of the Linux command. Let's take an example where I am right now. I want to know that what is my present working directory. So there is a command called pwd. So if you know this pwd command, then you are good. If you think that you know pwd, you know this ls-lrt command, okay, I am expecting that you people already aware about this command. If you don't know about this command, that's okay. You can join our SQL and Linux training, and there I will discuss about how to use this command. Okay, I'm going to use a very simple command. Let's say I want to go to the desktop. So I'll say I'm going inside the desktop. Now my present working directory is desktop. I'm inside the desktop now. This is my present working directory. I want to connect to the Oracle database, so I'll log in with the Oracle. I will start my database SQL plus /sysdb, and let me start my database. By firing startup command, you are going to start your Oracle database. So I'm just giving heads up, guys. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm not able to understand and all what will happen. Don't think about that. Okay, I'll go slowly, one by one, and then you will understand it very clearly. So here, if I want to create a table, let's say I want to create a table, there is a simple command is there, test. Let's say I want to create a table with the name EMP. So I'll mention ID, number 10, name varchar 220, salary, number. So I'm just creating one table with the name EMP, and there are 3 columns are there: ID, name, and salary. I created this table. If I want to insert some data into this table, there is a command called insert into EMP values. The first ID is 1, name is, let's say, Akshay, salary is 10,000. I inserted first record. Okay, I got some error because there is a single quote is missing, 10,000. So I inserted my first record. Let me insert my second record. So I'll insert ID is 2, Chetan, name is Chetan, 2,000 or 20,000. Okay, again I missed the quote, so I'll copy it, 20,000. So if you think that you are able to understand this insert, create and all, then that's fine. You can directly start your career as a Oracle DBA. But if you think that okay, you are not able to understand, then you need to go with the SQL and Linux training also. If I want to select all the data from this table, so I'll simply fire a command like select star from EMP. So these are the 2 records which we inserted into this EMP table. We inserted first record, we inserted second record by using this insert command, and then we tried to see the data from the table. I got this data. So this is a platform which we are going to use throughout our training, slowly, and this is the platform like we are going to use. This is a black screen we are going to use to understand about the SQL and Linux concept, Oracle DBA concept. And in real time Oracle DBA, you will see this black screen only. So basically your day will start with this black screen, your day will end with the black screen, and that's all about the Oracle DBA. So Oracle DBA is a very simple job, but it is very responsible job. What is meant by responsible? It's very simple. Now anyone can start their career as a Oracle DBA. I have a people in my offline classes, the people coming from BCom, BSc, HR. Then we have a people coming from BPO background. I'll tell you one story. Like last 3 days back only, there are 2 candidates from my offline class. They are a BSc Agri and BSc Plain, BSc people, basically non-technical background, and both these people are working now as a Oracle DBA. Both got selected to one of the multinational company, and they are now working as a Oracle DBA. So basically the thing is that if you want to kickstart your journey as a Oracle DBA, There is nothing compulsory that you should be BTech and all. I'll tell you, in my experience, BTech people are not getting selected, but my other candidates like BSc, BCom, all these people are getting more selected because they are putting a lot of hard work to make understand about these technologies, and they don't have other options also. They are here, they are spending money on the training fees and all, right? So obviously they need to understand this technology, and they don't have other options. So don't worry, like if you think that you are coming from any technical or non-technical background, you can easily start your career as a Oracle DBA. This technology is very, very easy. And why it is easy, I'll tell you the reason behind that. Because in Oracle DBA, you don't need to write down any code also. It's a completely non-coding skill set, non-programming skill set. See, programming is a good technology. Programming, let's say you want to understand about the Java, C, C++, .NET, Angular, big data, all these are the Python, all these are the programming skill set technologies. But programming you will not understand within a single day. It needs a time. Okay, those people who are coming from IT or computer background, from their college time itself they have started learning the C, C++, Java, all these technologies, so they can understand these technologies easily. But the people who are coming from BSc, BA, BCom and other, or BPO and all, they cannot understand the programming. So they are looking for to start their career in a technology where the programming is not needed. So among that, the base technology is Oracle DBA. In Oracle DBA, as I said, I did not discuss about the programming skill set. I discuss about SQL, I discuss about Linux, and then you can directly start with the Oracle DB. So here you don't need to write down any program. Okay, it's completely a non-programming skill set. Anyone can understand it, and very simple statements are there to start you with the Oracle DBA. So this is how the Oracle DBA structure is there. Apart from this, there are many responsibilities are there in the Oracle DBA. Slowly I'll discuss about that. Okay, as soon as we go ahead with the class and all. Till now, whatever we have discussed, able to understand, guys? Can you please use the chat option to say yes or no? Okay, Jagannath is saying yes, S. Ravinder, yes, Ankar is saying yes, Hari is saying yes. Okay, Tony is saying yes. SR is saying yes. Pratap is saying yes. Okay, nice. Everyone is able to understand. Aditi is saying yes. Nice. Okay. Vijay is saying yes. Ganesh is saying yes. Samir. Okay, nice. So those people who who are interested to join this training, please reach out to us. You can reach out to our counselor number. Okay, on this number he is available in the chat options also. Whatever questions you have, you can just use, you can call him, and you can try to understand the things. So these are the different courses are there. All we are not going to cover in 2 months. Okay, SQL Linux we need around 1 month of training. Okay, Oracle DBA will be going for 2 months around. RAG DBA also will go for around 2 months only. Golden Gate will go around 1.5 months. Okay, around 45 days. So this is not something you are going to complete in 2 months and all. Okay, it needs time. Okay, because our syllabus is vast. We try to touch each and everything. When I talk about the Oracle DBA, there are many concepts are included in that, like data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, shell scripting. Many concepts are there. If you want to know about more about the training, you can go to our website. This is our official website, learnomate.org. You can go here and you can search. There is an option is available with these trainings. You can talk, you can see the all the courses are available here. Oracle DBA, RAG DBA. So you can talk about the Oracle DBA now. Okay, so all the syllabus, how duration, everything. Okay, we have explained here. Okay, so even the demo and everything, it's available. You will get the certificate from the training institute. Okay, So you will get the recordings also. The recording will be available for 2 months of access, 3 months of access. By any chance, if you missed the you know the class because of certain issues, still you can go through the recordings and you can complete the thoughts. Okay, so that's how the things is going to work. So if you have any questions and all regarding the training, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me the question, so I'll discuss about that.
Sir, do you have any evening batches instead of morning 9 a.m. like that?
We have an evening batch also. Evening 8 o'clock we have batches there. Evening 8 to 9.
When it will be started, sir?
It will take time because right now one batch is going on that time. So as soon as that batch get completed, you can see that evening batch also.
It will
So
take
what
1
you
month.
can do, like what we suggest to the people, there are many people they are interested our evening batch also. So what they are doing, what we are doing right now, they are enrolling to our morning batch right now. As soon as our evening batch gets started, they are switching to our evening batch. Okay.
And one more thing, sir, I need SQL and Linux basics because I want to go from basics. So simultaneously, I have to attend for this Oracle 19C DBA, both.
Both you can do. Even if you want to go for one by one, we are not like, we don't have any
I
problem.
want to go simultaneously SQL, Linux, and Oracle 19C
That's
DBA.
fine. That's fine. You
And
can
after that completion of 19C DBA, rack also. Total, can I have the fee structure for all these three?
you can do one thing. Just call to the
I will
number.
call. Actually, at night I did not sleep, so morning I'm getting sleep.
Okay.
Just morning I checked. I came for this meeting.
Okay.
Okay, I will call by evening or tomorrow morning. I will call to you, sir. Tomorrow morning I will call you. Tomorrow we will be having demo class, no?
Tomorrow, today is like a demo class only. Tomorrow, I don't know. We'll discuss. We'll see that.
Okay, sir. I will get back to you by chatting.
Yeah. So our number is also available on this
And
website also.
one more thing, sir. I'm Shamsun Reddy calling from Hyderabad. I'm 47 years. Just I'm very serious to get a job on this DBA after this training. Please help me in this record.
Yeah, fine.
Actually, previously I worked as an accountant. Due to this pandemic, I attacked twice. Sir. I left that job from 2020. I'm not working.
Okay.
So I am MCA postgrad from Usman University 2019. I got positive job.
Okay.
I'm a
Nice.
commerce guy. But the thing is, my age is 47. Whether I get an opportunity, at least in India, anywhere, somewhere else, after training, that is the important. I will work out, sir. Not an issue.
We'll discuss about that.
I will call personal then. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks.
Sir, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Just wanted to know what the package can be expected for 4 to 5 years of experience if is shown. Like what will be the range?
That is all depend upon person to person. One person can have 20 lakhs of package, another person can have 15 lakhs of package also. That is all depend upon what is your current package and all.
My current package is around 18. So I wanted to switch it to DBA. So I just want to know, I'm not sure whether since some of my friends has been mentioned that in the DBA we because 18 cannot be matched of the 4 years of experience.
That's all depend upon where are you getting selected. Okay, if you're talking about the companies like Cognizant or Wipro, they will not provide you. But if you're talking about the product based company like Amazon, you can get more than that.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, I'm in DXC Technologies. As a fresher, I'm working. As a DBA, I'm working, Oracle DBA. And my current package is 3 LPA. And I want to just ask, like, in general, if I took that course, I think 3 to 4 months course now.
Yes.
So how much can I expect to my increment if I switch to another company? In general, I'm asking. It depends to person, still. That is, I understand. But how much can I expect?
So your expectation is like, see, there is no fixed answer for this. Okay, my expectation is 50 lakhs or even 1 crore also. Okay. So your expectation you can set. Okay. So that's how it works. Your expectation should be matched by the other person also. Okay.
No, sir. In your previous batches, who's having
We
3
never ask
LPA
about
or
we never ask anyone about their current package and all. We always discuss about the percentage. The people are getting the percentage like 100%, 200%, 300% in my previous batches.
okay.
Sir, for beginners, which book you are suggesting, sir? Sam or Alpati or some other books? Or you are providing any material?
We'll provide that.
Any suggestion books, sir, from your side for
As soon
beginners?
as you enroll, you will get that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Sir, just wanted to know after the course, what will be then my knowledge? Like it will be relevant to 2 years of experience, or it will be again more than that? Like,
You need to enroll to RAC DB. If you are enrolling RAC and Golden Gate, then you can show 10 plus also.
oh, okay. Got it. Thank you.
Sir, this is Riaz from Bangalore. So I'm having an experience of 4.5 years as a DBA.
Okay.
So I want to know that as comparing to prices for the Oracle and SQL servers. So it will be based on the core, right? So in market, comparing to these two, so Oracle is more, price is more. So in future, most of the companies are using SQL Server. If I
Okay.
go through this course, so in future, how it will be like?
See, when I started my career as a Oracle DBA, that time also people were saying that there is no jobs in the Oracle DBA.
Yeah.
We set up all this empire. Okay. All these now crores of company we started. Okay. All because of Oracle DBA. You go to any technology, people will say that this technology is not good, that technology is not good. People are there to say something. Okay. Don't worry about that. You just start it. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I still remember those days when I was thinking about to start my career as a Oracle DB. Now it's been almost 10 plus years. Still Oracle is there in the market. Okay. So when
Yes.
you're getting the good quality, people are not thinking about the price that you are giving. Why people are spending a lot of money on the iPhone? Right.
Yes.
There are people, there are products are available in 10,000 also, 5,000 also, right? The companies like EMI and all. Still people are spending 70,000, 80,000, 1,30,000 on iPhone 14, iPhone 14 plus. At the end, the basic functionality is get a call and call to the some other person, right? But still people are spending because they are getting that level of support, that level of things. That's the reason.
Okay. Now I am having a 4.5 years, so I need to go with the DBA and rack or only for
Yes.
DBA.
If you think that you have good knowledge about the core DBA, all the topics which I explained here, if you think that you know data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, then directly go with the rack DBA. But if you think that you are not comfortable with this, like upgradation, data guard, and all these things, then first learn Oracle core DBA, then
Yeah.
rack DBA.
In these topics, I know only half of the.
Then go with the Oracle DBA, because usually we are giving some discount to our people for rack also. Those people who are joining our combo offers like Oracle, SQL Linux, Oracle, and rack, we give some discount to the people. That details you can get it to my counselor. Even if you want to know more about us, you can go to our YouTube channel, search here. Maybe most of the people, they already aware about it. So if you go to our YouTube channel, we have around 16,000 Oracle DBA followers are there. You can see here. We have uploaded around 885 videos. So if you think that, okay, you want to know more about us, go to our YouTube channel, try to see all the videos, and many things are available here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And they can reach out to us on this number.
Sure.
Okay. So let me know if you have any questions. So tomorrow we are going to kickstart our paid batch. Okay. So those people who are interested to join this completely real-time database training, they can reach out to on this number. And from tomorrow we are going to see all the things practically. Okay, we will have all the things like what we do in the Oracle DBA in the real-time production environment. We are going to simulate that on this training. We will have the database creation, upgradation, patching, whatever activity we do in that DBA, everything I'm going to simulate over here. Okay.
Sir, one more thing, sir. I want to continue. In the just now you told me in the YouTube you have so many videos. In the meanwhile time, if I search that there, I can learn this SQL Linux, sir.
You can go through that. Yes. Definitely.
We can learn. We can learn within 1 or 2 days like that.
1 or 2
Basic.
days, basic, like at least you can go through that.
Okay, okay. I can sit for 2 hours like that, so that I
Uh,
can find out very easily.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so I hope today's session you find it useful. If you have any doubts, anything, okay, please feel free to reach out to my team over here. Okay, so they will discuss about that. Thank you so much for joining, guys. If anyone have any questions, let me know before I end up this call.
From tomorrow onwards, you are starting with the SQL or directly DBA?
Now we are going to start with the Oracle DB now. Okay, SQL we have a separate training. Okay, separate batches there.
What
So
about
we
the Linux?
Linux also we have same batch. SQL Linux is a one batch. Oracle DB is a one batch. RAG DB is a separate batch. Okay. So all these are separate batches.
Okay, okay.
So we are going to start with the Oracle DB now. So those people who are interested for SQL and Linux, let us know. We will add you to the different batch. Like that.
Good morning, sir. Can you give us the basic Linux while starting the batch, like some basic commands which we are using?
Basic command we can take that, okay, but we cannot spend much time over here on this Oracle DB. Means inside the Oracle DB, I don't want to spend much time on Linux and all, because our Oracle DB syllabus itself is vast. So if I'm spending much time on Linux in this batch, then somewhere it will be problem for the Oracle DBA. So that's the reason I have segregated that.
But sir, you just tell us that when you are using any Linux command, you just tell us that for which this command is using. That's it.
See, every second I'm going to use Linux command. Every second. Oracle DB is all about SQL and Linux. As I'm saying, right?
Right.
Oracle DB is all about SQL and Linux. So every second the Linux will be there. Without SQL, without Linux, Oracle DB is nothing. Okay. So make sure that you people know SQL and Linux. See, I would have told you to join my directly Oracle DB. That's a plus point for me. But why we are not doing that? Because then we don't want any challenges.
No, sir, we know about some basic Linux, but some complex we have.
Complex we are not using. Okay, all are basic concepts only.
Okay, it's fine. Then it's fine, sir. Then it's fine.
Okay, what about others? No? Okay then, yeah. Thanks. Thank you so much for joining. Okay. Bye bye guys. Thanks.